Ka Meghalaya Editors and Publishers Association Madagasni kalale Burom ya arngut kinong pathai Khubor kachala jbelayo Khusnam Hakari India kakong Alisha Bakor Phanwar bat kakong Princess Giri Rashir laban kedo hangne bakakong Alisha Bakor Phanwar kebadang Arpun Rusnam Karta kalayo ya Khusnam ENBA Gold Award for Best News Producer Haka live hotorik leber ahjar pesau katreikum ke Chief Newsroom Supervisor Haka India Today TV Kadba kakong Princess Giri Rashir kalayo ya Khusnam Ramnath Goenka Award for Excellence in Journalism haka khat khandai tarik leber ahjar pesau bat katrai kum kanong ai Khubor na Meghalaya ya ka East Mujo ya kani kechingalang le Burom la penya ka treasurer ka MEPA kakong Banda Bla layo ru kijingkran na u General Secretary ka MEPA uba John W Thaba u President uba R Monad Shabong u Vice President u Rajib Chaudhry bat ka advisor kakong Patricia Mukhim.
For us, ma'am.
Thank you so much. An honor for me. More.
A copy of the letter of appreciation.
Thank you so much.
This will help you in future if you go to international channels. And let us display this. This is the memento specially prepared by us. The letter of appreciation.
Thank you. That's why I work behind the screen, even in television. I just wanted to say that I'm really grateful for this honor from you guys, and I hope that I can follow in your footsteps and do more for my state when the time comes for me. So I had the dream of becoming a journalist. I wrote a small speech. I dreamt this dream when I was in my early teens. I was studying in St. Mary's, Shillong by then. And I wanted to work in a national channel with the creme de la creme of this industry. And throughout the years, every journey, every step that I've taken has been towards making sure that I achieved this dream that this little girl had, and to ensure that there's nobody there who could make me believe that I'm lesser or that I'm an outsider. And that because I'm an outsider, you get that feeling a lot, especially when you're in North or in South India. You get the feeling that you're an outsider. But I think it's really important for you to understand that sometimes that is a boost for you, and that should motivate you to do more, bigger and better. And since then I moved from Shillong to the south, abroad, Bombay, Delhi, all to pursue my dreams. But of course I would like to add that it would not have been possible without my mom, my mother and my siblings by my side through it all. My only advice for the young generation, or especially for Northeastern women, is to never let anyone make you believe that you cannot achieve what you want to. To follow your heart and to never stop at anything to get the dreams and the goals that you dreamt when you were a little girl, especially.
Thank you so much, Mepa, for honoring, and this inspires us more to work more and try to achieve more awards in the future. Hope that we can be able to inspire the young ones also to be able to achieve their dreams. Receiving the Ramnath Goenka Award, it was like a dream come true. And I remember when I first seen in our state, we had two who had received this award, late Balam and Kongri Kanti. So I always looked at, because when East Mojo, it's not a very old organization. When I had moved back, joining East Mojo, it gave me the opportunity that I could focus on stories where it hasn't, like, there's more in depth that we can do. So what I just wanted to say was, it's not necessary for us like that we have to work to be so loud, or that we have to be linked with national media. I feel for Meghalaya itself, if we worked on like in-depth stories and show it, then we get their attention and they know that in Meghalaya this is happening and it needs their attention. It doesn't necessarily mean that we have to go to them and tell them that please give us space. But instead, I think once we try to give more coverage, like how Compat rightly mentioned, that there are so many of these illegal mining that is happening, not only coal factories but coal and that sand mining, which is a great concern right now. So these issues, and apart from that, if we look at drug menace also, and many other issues that are at hand right now. So I just feel that if all of us from the media, many of us can concentrate on working on in-depth and not just doing so much of regular stories, give more on in-depth, I feel that we'll be able to grab the attention of the national media and understand that, it's not only during elections that they'll come, pounding to Meghalaya and giving all attention about the general elections or any other issues, but I just feel there are more stories that we need attention from national media. Once again, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, and I hope this will inspire many of the others to work harder and get more work. Thank you.
Kalong ke Burom ke Bakar. Kapta ni mei jong ki ya wa don hang ni na dum ne. Nak khat be yo ni di start nai. Man pa pule ke khun shoko London ma. London na ta ban. Pule ya ke ni kalai na ta ka. Din pule jong ki. Kana betai princess ni sokomen shibune ni sa ni yo ki. Man Khubor baki smart ya kundu ya shibon ki Khubor ka kausan ni mata ti jing tai stom jong ki kawanra ya ka nam ba su ku tenga kwa baleng ba jong ki armut ba pin island ye jing ai muslim ni ki badon hani ha selo ni hangni ya tudun na long bi pong ni barit te Khusnam Soviet ini kegiatan hani ini mentah kadang ini Khubor dan sekretariat Khubor ini undang ke pasien dalam deal. Kenapa kata nak kuat opinai musim nanti Bangila dan kuat disibun di Khubor di badai nak mentah bunjat kijinjia bukan keleng dan jelas. Kata ketika kita berumur berkeren, dan tas sampai umur berkepak. Saya ada di Indonesia, ada di proses. Soba I like them. Ya kijinjia betul apa tanju. Kita sibuk kijinjia kita direkam di sini ya ka. Ya ke India bukan tu. Kita ada jawab kita mungkin proses mungkin soba ancakan ini. Nang yo ke India kan tu. Sekarang dijulung di mana tu. Dengan kibok ini, Burom pun Indonesia kerja tempat kini akan saya kelak untuk kena ada Burom dia ka saya beri ni mulai kita beri Burom itu penting tentang tempat sibuk ibawan boleh bayu ini Khusnam di sama itu karena ya cepat di sebenarnya apa yang kita Mepa ni kibok ini berkenal lagi ini Khubor waktulah ini sokomen sibuknya apa kandung ke kandung ke jenis keren ke jenis selok ke benukot kan air musim Nongthoh.